really busy shopper there in Shanghai also. Yeah. During summer.
It's very cold, isn't it? This side is really cold. The Turkey is very cold. We just kept like wearing the shorts and everything. It's like you should get some pants on. It's really cold.
exit.
And I thought it was only you as well. Like, so you didn't say your mom is going.
You didn't say?
You didn't say that she's going back to Sydney as well. I thought it's just you. She said, "Oh, my sister needs to go back to
In
Sydney."
7.2 kilometers.
Really, I'm not lying. You know, I could not do this. I was trying so hard that I did forget I have a ski and then I need to enjoy this moment because it's not coming again. This festival, mom and everything is not coming again. I don't think next year I can make it. You know,
Yeah.
at the festival. I don't think they're gonna be here. Everyone, some of them gonna go Nepal and then it's not gonna be the same thing. Just
Yeah.
enjoy this bloody shit with that time, drink, walk around. I'm like just remembering the Oski, I did whatever I had to put it up, and then I couldn't take it. I was like, oh brother, let me go. He's like, okay, I'll make an arrangement. Because if tomorrow something happens, then I'm gone. The Oski,
No, you can do it.
isn't it?
You can do it.
And
You'll make it.
Used to be for 9, I think. 9 a.m. I got my Oski.
On Tuesday.
Yeah.
Tomorrow you'll.
I'm gonna have to go back to police and get a car. That's a Oski entrance.
See, you still have a day to